I've been drawing charts since 1966. This was the end of July. And you can see just look at the other peaks. This was the weakest rally in months.
Looking at the recent sell-off we've had in the last 3 weeks, did technical levels tell us that we were getting there?
My opinion at the beginning of the year was that we're going to spend a lot of time correcting the advance of 2009 and 2010. During the second quarter of 2011, my opinion was we've got a lot of correction to go. There'll be periods where we have rotational, sideways type correction and periods where you get bigger downdrafts. This is all expectable because the long-term technical position of the market is weak.
What does history teach us about where we go from here?
Well, we've had a number of panics like this over the years, and panics occur when there are no buyers.
So many people would say, look, you could just do this on a computer.
No,
Why
you
do
can't.
still draw it out?
No, you can't, because doing it makes you study it. It's not the same thing just looking at a computer-drawn chart. Okay, this chart represents breadth intensity in the market. You can see that they've both plunged, and one has gone off the bottom of my chart, extremely oversold. The last time we saw such action was during the Lehman financial panic. And there are other times as well. We have an extreme in 2001, that was after 9/11. We can go back to 1998. That was a big shakeout during a bull market when there was fear of Asian economies and Asian financial conditions. This was called the Asian contagion.
How similar is this sell-off to the fall of 2008?
It's quite similar. It's quite similar.
But it's not driven by the same
It doesn't matter what's driving it. This is before there was a PC and before there were handheld calculators. We had an addressograph multigraph calculator. It was this big, the size of a typewriter, and it did long divisions by a moving arm. So if you wanted to divide an 8-digit number by an 8-digit number, you had to enter all the digits, and the machine would go cut a clack, cut a clack, cut a clack to move over to give you the 8 places.